If you're seeing the message, your device isn't part of the Netflix household for this account, don't worry. This is one of the most common Netflix errors, and today we're breaking down exactly why it happens and how you can fix it quickly. Netflix recently introduced a feature called Household Verification. It's designed to limit account sharing, which means your device must be connected to the primary household network at least once every 30 days. If Netflix can't confirm that, you'll get this error. The first and easiest fix is to connect to the main Wi-Fi network of the Netflix household. Once connected, open Netflix and try playing a video. This usually refreshes your device and marks it as part of that household. If you aren't at the household location, you'll need to request a temporary access code from the account owner. They can open Netflix on their TV or browser, choose Manage Netflix Household, and send you a verification link or code so your device can be approved. Another thing to try is signing out and back in on the device. Sometimes a simple refresh forces Netflix to recheck your login and fix the error automatically. Also, make sure your Netflix app is fully updated because outdated versions sometimes trigger household-related glitches. And if nothing works, the account owner may need to reset the household. They can do this in the same settings menu, which basically tells Netflix to recognize all devices again from scratch. Hopefully one of these steps solves the issue so you can get back to watching without interruptions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.